Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. SmartGit package is not available on Ubuntu-based repository, so you can install it via importing ppa repo by running the following command. Next, run the command below to reflect on ppa. After that, install the SmartGit by running the following command. Now, you just need to go into your desktop, there you will see the SmartGit. Click on it and it will be launched. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.